Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Total Iron Test Strips. What is AquaChek Total Iron Test Strips? Fast, accurate, and easy. Simply dip into water and watch the pads on the test strip change color to indicate chemical levels so you can treat your pool or spa accordingly. Product benefits: accurate, easy to use. Simply dip into water. Usage directions. Step 1. Fill sample vial half full with sample water. Open one foil packet and add powder contents to vial. Cap vial and shake rapidly for 5 seconds. Remove cap. Step 2. Dip a test strip into sample vial and rapidly move back and forth underwater for 15 seconds. Remove and shake excess water from test strip. Step 3. Immediately compare test pad to color chart and record results. Estimate results if color on test pad falls between two color blocks. Step 4. Rinse sample vial with tap water after each use. This complete kit contains 25 strips per bottle. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.